RVing with teens, keeping the peace and making it fun. Embarking on an RV adventure with teenagers in tow is like trying to blend a kale smoothie so it tastes like a milkshake. It requires creativity, patience, and a dash of ingenuity. But fear not, intrepid explorers, for the open road beckons with promises of family bonding, laughter, and memories to last a lifetime. Here's how to keep the peace and amp up the fun while RVing with the most unpredictable of creatures, teenagers. Unplug to connect in an era where the digital world often eclipses reality. The first step in your journey is to encourage a digital detox. This doesn't mean complete tech ban, that's akin to navigating a minefield wearing clown shoes. Instead, carve out specific times for tech use. Perhaps mornings and evenings are tech-free, allowing for device usage during the heat of the afternoon. This balance ensures your teens won't feel cut off from their social lifelines while encouraging them to soak in the natural splendor around them. Tailor adventures to teen tastes. The key to teen engagement lies in tapping into their interests. Does your teen fancy themselves a budding influencer? Plan scenic hikes that lead to Instagram-worthy vistas. Is adrenaline their middle name? Look for RV parks near adventure sports hubs. By aligning activities with their passions, you transform potential eye rolls into genuine excitement. The great culinary compromise: turn mealtime into an interactive affair. Involve your teens in menu planning and prep, perhaps introducing a cook-off challenge where each family member takes turns crafting a meal with a secret local ingredient. This not only lightens your workload but also introduces a flavorful twist to your journey. Claim your space. RVs, while cozy, can test one's patience when personal space is at a premium. Consider RV models with smart layouts, offering some semblance of privacy. Innovative solutions like curtain dividers or fold-out panels can create a sense of personal territory, essential for peace among the ranks. Foster independence. One of the hidden gems of RV travel with teens is fostering their independence in a controlled environment. Allowing them to plan a day's itinerary, navigate to a destination, or even manage a small budget for souvenirs gives them a taste of responsibility and freedom, under your watchful eye. Education incognito. Who says learning stops when the school bell rings? The world is a classroom, and RV trips are the perfect opportunity for stealthy education. Historical landmarks, natural wonders, and cultural experiences serve as engaging, real-world lessons, far more memorable than textbook theories. Dial up the downtime. Recognize the importance of downtime. Teens, like adults, need moments of solitude and relaxation. Encourage activities like journaling, sketching, or simply lounging with a playlist of their favorite tunes. This downtime is crucial for recharging and maintaining harmony within the confined quarters of an RV. Embrace the night. The adventure doesn't end when the sun dips below the horizon. Nighttime offers a whole new realm of activities. Stargazing, night hikes, and campfire stories can be magical experiences. Equip your teen with the Star Map app and watch their wonder ignite as they trace constellations in the night sky. The bonding power of games. Never underestimate the bonding power of good old-fashioned board games. Choose games that cater to a wide age range and can be played in a confined space. These games become not just entertainment but cherished family rituals. Document the journey. Encourage your teens to document the journey, not just through selfies but through creative outlets like blogging, scrapbooking, or even podcasting. This not only gives them a project to focus on but also results in a precious keepsake of shared family memories. The art of negotiation. Finally, embrace the art of negotiation. RV life is all about flexibility and compromise. Whether it's deciding on the day's destination, meal choices, or who gets the coveted front seat, being open to negotiation ensures everyone feels heard and valued. RVing with teens is an art form, blending the right mix of freedom and structure, adventure and relaxation, digital life and real-world connections. By approaching your trip with creativity, flexibility, and a healthy dose of humor, you'll not only keep the peace but also create a fun-filled adventure that your family will reminisce about for years to come. So pack up your RV, chart a course for adventure, and get ready to make some unforgettable family memories, 1 mile at a time.